Hey everyone, it's Angie from the Wee Larder blog here. I've got a super delicious recipe to share with you today, which is an absolute hit with the kids. It's for sweet honey chili chicken salad. They absolutely love it. I've made it a couple of times now and there's never a drop left on the plate. Now I've actually made my recipe with kefir, but you can use yogurt instead, so don't be put off by the fact that I've got kefir in this recipe. But if you do want to try making your own kefir, then check out the video that's linked in the description box below. It's super easy to make, and the reason I use kefir is because there's always an abundance in my kitchen. I make so much kefir, I've got kefir on the go every single day, so I've always had kefir to use. And it's the fact that it's super nutritious as well. I do find it's actually the easiest fermented food to make, so if you're new to fermenting, then kefir is definitely worth giving a go. So if you haven't tried it, then give it a blast. Okay, so what I'm doing first is I'm actually just chopping up my cooled chicken thighs into small pieces. Now it's up to you if you want to chop the skin in. I personally am not really adding skin in. I'm going to keep that for my broth, which I'll make with the bones. You could also shred this or cut it up into larger pieces. I'm cutting up into smaller pieces just for the kids. Now if you add all your chicken into a really large bowl, because we're going to mix up all the ingredients in here to make this recipe. Now don't throw away your bones or chicken skin, because they are actually really good for making a broth, so you can stick that in a slow cooker. If you want to have a look at my broth recipe, it's on my channel. Now I'm just adding a couple of tablespoons of siriacha sauce. Now you could use any chili sauce in here. This just happens to be like our favorite sauce at the moment for spice. We love also getting the chili sauces from the local farmers market, but they're not available at the moment. They're not open just now. Now I'm also putting in a couple of tablespoons of raw honey. It doesn't have to be raw honey, but I do like the nutritional qualities of raw honey. You could also add in additional spices in here as well. Now I'm adding in salt and pepper, of course. Now if you just give this a really good stir through, it's really important to get all the flavours onto all the pieces of chicken. And I've also added in some cucumber here as well. And now I'm going to add in my kefir milk. Now you can actually use plain live yogurt, so don't panic if you don't have kefir milk to hand. And just mix it all through really well, and you can add in any other salad items that you like grated carrots perhaps, some red onion, tomato pieces in here. It's entirely up to you, but this is what I had to hand. Just use what you have available in your own kitchen. Okay, so all of this is mixed through now. I'm actually going to make a large plate of salad for us all to share. So I'm just using a bag of mixed salad. We don't have anything grown in the garden yet, but I would use homegrown if I had. It's really easy to grow your own salad as well if you want to give it a try. And I'm just using some sliced tomatoes here, some vine tomatoes. These have really good flavour at the moment. You could also add other salad items in here like grated carrots, red onion, olives. It's up to you. Now I'm just going to put all the chicken down the middle of this salad and we're just going to help ourselves. I absolutely love this recipe, and if you have leftovers as well, you can actually use it in a wrap with a bit of salad. It works really well in a toasty with a bit of cheese, or even with some rice with this on top as well. It's super delicious. And that's everything prepared, guys. I hope you enjoy this. It's so yum. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed and you did enjoy it, click on the little subscribe button and the little bell next to it as well, which will notify you of my new videos coming out. Got lots of delicious recipes on their way to you. I'm also over on Instagram and Facebook, so if you're on those social media platforms, then pop over and say hello. And don't forget to tag me in anything, the Wee Larder on Instagram. If you make any of my recipes, tag me in there and I will share it on my stories. So take care, guys, and I will see you again soon. Bye!
I look into your eyes, I see we're out of time. I guess no one's to blame, nobody crossed the line. I guess we couldn't see, somehow we couldn't feel. Maybe we rose too fast.